Hey guys, do you want to know how to extend your audio easily in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to extend your audio in the easiest way. So let's get right into it. So first up, open Audacity and import any audio that you like. Once you've done it, you can simply just double click on it, right click on it, press copy, and then just right click on it again and then click paste. The audio has been extended just like that. There is also another way. If you don't want to copy paste it, you can just double click on it, go to effects, and then go to pitch and tempo, go to change speed and pitch. Now you need to lower the slider to the left, and once you're done with it, click apply, and then your audio has been extended as easy as that, as you can already see in the waveform. So I hope this video helped. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.